This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and Less Than Bedroom Greater Than Gloria Waters. Vintage Grand, complex is under renovation. The construction project has been completed, including new windows on this building. First floor condo. It features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 large walk-in closets, inside laundry, screened lanai with extra storage. You will be amazed the amenities: community swimming pool, basketball, volleyball, tennis, fitness center, fishing pier, shuffleboard, playground, picnic facility and grills. You can walk across the street to Costco, 0.2 miles to YMCA and Potter Park, 6.6 miles to one of the finest beaches on Siesta Key, 4.9 miles to Oscar Scherer State Park and 1.2 miles to Legacy Trail, which runs through Palmer Ranch for your walking and biking enjoyment. The local bus transportation is steps away. Excellent school district: Gulfgate Elementary, Sarasota Middle School, Riverview High School. All this on Palmer.